I've got leaves yellowing on the edamame, so it's time to get them harvested and blanched and frozen for future edamame snacks. All right, so I'm ready to preserve my edamame that I just harvested. So I have a big pot of water. I'm gonna bring it to a boil, dump the fresh edamame in there, and return it to a boil. Boil it for about a minute, and then it's gonna get drained, remove all the water, and it's gonna get dumped in this ice bowl. Then it's going to get packaged in these freezer bags, and I'm going to double bag it, and I'm going to package them individually by the serving. We don't eat a lot of edamame, so this harvest is going to last us until next season. All right, these guys are ready for the freezer. We've got 4 packages here, and it's just me and my husband, so it's going to be plenty. This will last us until the next season, and I can't wait for my first dish. I'm going to saute them in some olive oil, garlic, and maybe some Thai chilies. Sounds so good. All right, that's it for now. Hope you enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.